Welcome this video leaning and extension stand your home with a leaning to expand your home with a leaning to extension is a right and cost effect away to increasing living space without the need for extensions size renew a leaning to extension is a simple structure that is attached to one side of a home feature a soft roof that lessen again the extend valve. This type of extension can serve multi-purpose for create extra story to add a functional room for various use. We explored the benefit design, consider material, plants, promise and cost with leaning to extension. Benefit of a leaning to extension affordable. A leaning to extension is physically more affordable than other type of home extension. That design is stem format and the conclusion progress is a leaning read over cost quick installing due to its simple structure. A leaning to extension can be structure remember quality comparing of other type of home add this mean to your daily life or style whether use a kitchen extension, sunroof, home office, or unit office are leaning to extension provide fixable, intimate, or functional interaction. Popular various add extra living space can enhance the various of your home, make it more approved to buy, use you to share in the functional aesthetic and natural lights. With the right design, aligning to extension can seamless blend with the structure, enhance to overall look of your home. Gas plant or sunlight can also be incorporating to allow more natural light into a space. Design consider then plants a linear to extension. It is choosy to consider sub-design approve material. The choosy to consider resolve of the roof should allow for paper water during and material should match or complement the extend home window and door. Consider add long window or side door to maximize natural lights and empowering versatile popular versatile are enhanced to space remember comfortable throughout that year construction the extend much to be budget